To set up the channel number of your intercom, press the desired channel number for 5 seconds. So I am going to try number 1. But I already set up my intercom to number 2. But here, press for 5 seconds. Then it's number 1. But I am going to change it back. So this is the monitor. Then click this to talk to other channel. This is the group call. And this is to ring the other intercoms. So I am going to ask my sister to ring my channel. Hello. And she will call my channel. Again. To talk to other channel, you have to click their channel number, then click talk. Hello? Then, to call them, click their number,